Good day to my future employer. My name is Jiglian Ramos from San Juan, Alcala, Pangasinan, Philippines. Age of 31 years old. I'm high school graduate. I have 4 siblings and I'm a second child. I'm a single mother and I have 3 children. Age of 10 years old, 4 years old, and 14 years old. I'm working experience in Manila, Philippines on January 2017 to March 2019. I serve family of 3 members, 2 adult, 1 child, age of 1-year-old baby. My main duties to take care of their baby like feed them, changing their diaper, changing their clothes, take a bath, and I make sure that the baby is safe and clean. Way back to Pangasinan, Philippines on February 2021 to March 2024. I serve 5 family members, 2 adult, 3 children, age of 10 years old, 2 years old, and 5 years old. My main duties to take care of their children, cooking their meals, playing with them, helping also to take a bath and changing their clothes. Especially, I will teach them to read and write and counting the numbers. I will make sure that the children is safe and clean. Where they're at their school, I do a household chores like cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, gardening, marketing, and especially cooking, and I'm willing to learn, mom and sir. I'm jolly person, loving a kids like at my child. I'm hardworking, honest, and a person that you can trust me, mom. I will promise I do my main duties and my responsibilities and I follow your rules and regulation, mom and sir. Thank you very much, mom and sir. See you soon, mom.